Hi, 6th grade parents. If you're watching this video, your child either did not complete or did not do well on our last major essay completed in language arts class. This essay was titled Literary Analysis Compare and Contrast Essay. It was worth quite a few points, so if they didn't turn it in or if they didn't do well on it, it has definitely hurt their grade. I'd like to give them an opportunity to make up the grade in order to finish the trimester with the best grade possible. In order to do this, your child is going to need to get into Google Classroom and go to the English 6 classroom. They'll then need to navigate to the section called Classwork. Go to the section titled Extra Credit and Grade Boosters and click the link for the assignment Makeup Literary Analysis Essay. When they do this, they'll pop up with an assignment that looks like this. For this makeup assignment, I'm asking the students to read a couple of stories and write an essay comparing and contrasting the two main characters. This is very similar to the literary analysis essay that we did in class, but a little more structured with more support, as well as stories that are easier to read and to understand. The first thing students will need to do is read the story Laura's Key. There's a link to the text as well as audio. We did read this story in class together today. Next, they'll need to read the story Sometimes a Dream Needs a Push. Again, text is linked as well as audio. When they're finished reading the two stories, I'd like them to use this graphic organizer to compare and contrast, tell what is similar and what is different between the two main characters, Laura and Chris. They need to write their own paragraphs in this blank column using the sentence stems that are provided. When they're finished writing those 4 paragraphs, I'd like them to copy and paste them into a neat final draft, as well as to check for errors, replace word choice for interesting words, and run a spelling and grammar check. As always, if your kid is confused, they need help, they need support, they want to work on it with me, I really encourage them to reach out to me. I want to support, I want to help, I want to make sure that their final grade in trimester 2 is the best that it can be. If you have any questions, please let me know. Happy to support. I will need to have this turned in by Wednesday, the 24th, in order for them to be eligible to make up these points.